Good morning. So we have a fun lunch today. We're using, again, the Planet Box. This is the Rover, I believe. And let's see what we got. Okay, Brandon.
Do we have baby bounties and the brownie to it?
Yeah. Those are from Trader Joe's. And then we have here...
and then we have the dweeb and blueberry. I don't know, I like blueberry.
Okay, he doesn't like blueberry as much as he used to, so that's why I have extra in here that are grape only, but he has to eat the blueberries. Okay, what are these?
Turkey and ham, what?
Turkey and cheese pinwheels, roll-ups. And then we have some veggie straws.
I thought it. Do we have the red on it?
This one.
And that, but not yet.
Pistachios. Pistachios are his favorite nut.
Yeah.
His favorite nut. Okay.
Favorite.
Yes, and then we just have his water. So that's what he's bringing. So we'll see if he likes these pinwheels. This is the first time he's ever had one. But look, they're like the right size. You just like throw the whole thing in your mouth and then you just chew. Hopefully he will do that and not nibble like a little squirrel like he normally does. All right, so we'll see what he eats at the end of the day. Have a monster-ific day. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, so we're back after Brandon's school. All right, open your box and see what we got.
Here we go. You ready to see what I see? It's down.
Whoa. Okay, so he finished half of his veggie fries. He ate, I think, about half of the pinwheels. He ate all his grapes, left the blueberries, ate his cheese, his pistachios, almost all the brownie bites. Pretty good. Pretty good job, Brandon. Were these too many? Maybe these were too many rolls. Oh, now he's finished with the brownie bites. All right, guys. So this is what he brought in. I think he does. These were good, right? Did you like these? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I think he liked these. Maybe I just made too many of them because it was an entire tortilla, and this was the entire thing that I cut up. So it's kind of a lot, I think, for his size. But he did good overall, so we'll probably try this again. Bye.